So we are gearing up for our live coming up soon, a few lives. And so I ordered, I just ordered some Turkish towels from the website that Kelly, Scott Walker, Rad Dyes, Kelly gave us the link. And I hope I didn't just stick my scissors through what's inside. It looks like I didn't. It looks like I just caught a tassel. So this is from the Turkish, well, I don't know what it's called. I'll put the link down below in the comments. The Turkish dowry or something like that. So this was on the porch, and Bo took one look at it and said, geez, how many kilos did you order? It's packaged very uniquely, and I'm really scared that I'm going to cut into what's inside. But that's okay. I'm going to get through it. Just be really careful. If your package arrives like this, just take your time to make sure that you don't put your, like if you use a razor to open or shears. Okay, so I ordered a little bit of stuff. I didn't go crazy. I have a tendency to go crazy when I place my orders. But stay tuned because Kelly and I are going to be working on some projects. And then Margot Farnsworth is going to be joining relatively soon, and she's going to show us some of her amazing shibori techniques. And Kelly and I are also going to be doing that together. So let's see. So, okay, things look pretty good. Let me set this off to the side. I'm kind of curious what I ordered. I'm going to have to put this into the pre-wash, obviously. So, this one's, what did I get here? This one is the, well, let's see. So 36, maybe this is probably 40 inches wide, but I have no idea how long it is because it's too big for my table. So let's see if I put it in half and then measure it. Let's see. So 36 times 2, what would that be? 74 or something like that. I'm terrible at math, you guys. So this is a nice big size. This would be really good for like a beach towel. It's like the perfect beach towel size, or curtains or something. Let's see what else. That one looks like it's the same. I think I ordered 4 of those. Okay, now here's a different one I ordered. This one's smaller. These might be considered the hand towels. Yeah, I think so this size here is considered a hand towel, and it is, well, 36 inches, probably maybe 40 inches by 18 and a half. I'm sure they're going to shrink. But so I suppose this could be used to maybe cover your head with. But I don't really see any purpose other than it actually just being like a kitchen towel. I'm curious to see how much they shrink. And then what else did I get? Like I said, I didn't go crazy. Oh, I tried this one that has different tassels. So, like if you look at this one, it has the tassels are finished. They're twisted. this one here has just like a frayed type tassel. Oh, and this material is a lot thinner. It feels very, very lightweight and see-through. I don't know if you can see that. Also would probably make a nice curtain. Well, I'm not prepared for all the measuring. This also looks like it's gonna be the, come on, it won't lay down for me at all. There we go. This is probably also gonna be, yeah, approximately maybe 40 inches wide by, let's see, just these are just approximate. Again, they're gonna shrink once I pre-wash them, which as soon as I get done here, I'm gonna go do that. So 36 times 2, 12. So yeah, like 72 in length, and then approximately 40 inches wide. And again, this one, I mean, I won't know until I dye it how things turn out. But again, much more lightweight than the other that I just showed you. And then, oh, more of the same on that one. And then I ordered a blanket, or maybe I ordered 2 blankets. Now this feels really soft. I don't know if you guys are familiar with hospital blankets. I am. This has a really soft, but super lightweight hospital blanket type soft feel. And I think it's gonna, I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little pattern in it. Not really, but I'm gonna tie this one up like a tapestry. That's my plan for this one. It's really big. Much too large for the table. Very well made though so far. Now I'm just opening it up straight from the package. I haven't done any pre-wash. I haven't done any dyeing on it, so you know, who knows, they might fall apart during that process. But yeah, like this is gonna be like a nice giant tapestry. I just folded it in 4ths, but there's a little bit of a mark on there, but I think the dye will take care of it. But I think it'll fold up. Well, I wanted to make a tapestry out of it when I ordered it, but it is a very soft material, so we'll see. I might change my mind and do a geode, or I mean, who knows, we'll see. And I think more of the same. So I must have ordered 2 of the blankets. But I think these will make really nice, like it could be a beach blanket, it could be a picnic blanket. You know, this is large enough to where maybe somebody could hang it over their window as a you know, like a curtain. I think there's great potential here. So anyways, I'm just posting this to share with you. I should have been better prepared. I want to say it's the Turkish dowry on Etsy, something to that effect. Like I said, I'll put the link down below in the description box. You guys, if you didn't watch the live video where we're talking about tying up some of this stuff together as a group, if you want to get involved, make sure you place your order, because we're going to be doing it soon. I thought I got a whiff of cigarette smoke, but I mean, it kind of has a weird smell like cigarette smoke, but I think it could also just be maybe incense or something. Yeah. Yuck. I don't like the way that smells, but I'm going to pre-wash them, so all will be just fine. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this, and I'm going to take it and go put it into the washing machine, and I'm going to use my professional textile detergent Kirillon. I'm going to do a hot water cycle with the Kirillon, and then I'm going to do a second hot water cycle with just plain water to make sure that I get out all of the Kirillon. And then I'm going to put all of these in the dryer, because there's no way that I'm going to be able to soak them all and dye them all right away. So I don't want this material sitting in a tote with moisture in it and causing mildew or anything like that. So that's my process. The pre-wash, dry, fold them all up, stick them in a tote, save them for a rainy day, and then pull them out one by one as it's time to get dyeing. So, well, there it is, guys. I'm super excited. I hope you guys have placed your orders because we will be getting to tying up some of these really super soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing!